Is it possible to make money trading meme coins with just 0.1 Solana? That's about $12 and I genuinely don't know the answer, but today we're going to find out. The problem is that most meme coin influencers are showing successful trades and huge P&Ls, having invested thousands of dollars to start with. So today I'm starting my trading wallet with what a lot of beginners have, pocket change. As you can see, I have only 0.1 Solana in my wallet, and the main mistake beginner traders make when they trade only with small bankrolls like 0.1 Solana are the wrong trading presets. As you can see, I have 3 different presets that serve different purposes. So the first preset is the brokey preset. In this video we're trading only with 0.1 Solana, so we're pretty much brokies, so I have to use the first preset. The slippage is set at 12%. You can put it up to 15, but from my experience 12 is enough. For some reason some people don't understand that if you're trading with only like 0.1 or 0.2 Solana and you're paying 0.03 for bribe and priority fees, you're gonna get f***ed. Even if you have a successful trade, even if you make 300% ROI, you're still gonna walk away with nothing because you paid everything to your trading platform. You can copy all my settings, you can tweak them a bit. And about the MEV mode, guys, you don't need MEV protection when you're trading with 0.1 Solana. MEV protection is not free, so if you put secure here, you are gonna pay a fee. So for that reason, just in case, put it to reduced. The reduced mode still offers you some protection. For example, one of the things it does, it speeds up your transactions. And simply speaking, because of that, bots don't have enough time to front run them, and that's pretty much what MEVing is. These are my sell settings, you can copy them as well, and pretty much they're just a bit lower than buy settings because when you're selling, there is much less market pressure. Save your preset by clicking continue, and now I'm gonna show you my personal filters that I use to filter out most of the garbage and to spot great coins. By the way, guys, this video is not financial advice. It's made for educational purposes only, and the main filter we have is pump fund. I said it many times, but I'm gonna say it again. On pump fund, it's impossible to withdraw liquidity because as soon as you launch a coin on pump fund, 100% of the liquidity is automatically burned. Depending on market conditions, other filters might even do more bad than good because you will simply miss good plays. But if you still want to eliminate some shitty coins not to distract your attention, I would go for these filters. And also, guys, a quick disclaimer: if you want to make your trading even cheaper and more pleasant, you can join Axiom, which is my trading platform, through the link in the description. By using my personal link, you'll get a 10% discount from all trading fees, and I'll get a small commission. But before you join, make sure you finish this video because right now I'm gonna start searching for my first coin. Boom, 0.08 Sol in. This coin is called Mario Grad. As you can see, the token info looks organic, it looks good. We have a lot of good traders aping in, but I don't really get the concept of the coin, so it's gonna be a quick flip. Okay, the coin is doing well. I think I'm going to sell right now. We just flipped it for almost $6 profit in 1 minute, and the thing with trading with such a small balance is that you don't have any room for error. I have to be extremely cautious because one bad trade will cost me the entire experiment. Let's quickly buy this dip on the cheeseburger coin. 0.1 Sol in. Even though I don't like the bundlers here, the volume here is crazy and it's based on an Elon tweet. And as we all know, Elon tweets are very powerful. He just tweeted that cheeseburgers are genius. I agree with him. So I decided to buy this coin, which is actually doing pretty well. Alright, let's sell it at this peak. For some reason, Axiom does not want to share P&L for this trade, but it doesn't matter. You can still see it here. We bought $13, sold for $19. Quick profit of $6. And to be honest with you, if it wasn't for the great volume that we see over here, I wouldn't have touched this coin because the bundlers indicator when we entered was like 50%. And it almost scared me away. We almost doubled our account balance in just 2 trades. On to the next one. Bro, I don't know why, but as soon as I start filming these videos, as soon as I sit down, turn my camera on, the market automatically becomes cooked. Look at the migrated section. It's a fucking McDonald's. We only have cheeseburgers in there. 0.1 Sol into this Catalyst coin, and I just find it funny. I find it amusing. Catalyst. Extremely funny. Do not see a lot of potential in this coin. If it goes anywhere below 7k, I'm immediately selling. But I think, yeah, I'm immediately selling. We lost $5 and meme coins are not just about winning. Let's buy this Scooby coin. We're risking a bit here, but the whole Congress meta lately has been trending a lot. And it's saying that Congress said that we should have Scooby-Doo instead of Franklin the Turtle. And as we all know, Franklin the Turtle performed really well. It has just migrated. Are we gonna hold it or are we gonna sell it? Let's hold it. Oh shit. Oh shit, Scooby-Doo. Boom, great trade. Just look at this execution. But we are not stopping here. One of these bad coins eventually has to pump. The narrative is solid. Trump apparently wants to remove all taxes from gambling wins, and meme coin trading is gambling of some sort, so I think the narrative will do pretty well. But which coin is gonna do very well? It's a very big question because we have a lot of these bad coins, gamble coins, tax coins. They also found an old Trump tweet saying no crying in the casino. One of these coins has to pump. Okay, I like this narrative too much not to buy it. Let's buy it right here. I invested 0.15 Sol into this coin and we're just gonna stick with it. We're gonna hold it. This seems to be the only gambling tax reduction coin that has decent volume. And in meme coins, if you really like the narrative, you buy the coin. You know what we can do? We can sell 50% here. So pretty much we're reducing our risk. I personally think this coin can pump even more, so let's wait around 5 minutes and then sell the other 50. We came back to the coin is at 130k. Let's sell 100% of it, and the total PNL is $11. And by the way, guys, a quick piece of advice. If you don't understand the narrative of a coin, if you don't think it's funny, don't buy it. Some people buy coins because some wallets they're tracking bought in, or some friend of theirs said that, oh, the narrative is so cool. Guys, if you don't have a clear idea, if you don't have a clear path in your head why the coin should pump, it's self-explanatory, guys. Our balance is now almost at 0.4 Solana, which means that we 4x'd our initial investment. Trading meme coins with a very small account balance is extremely difficult, and you'll probably lose everything. However, if you only trade with the amount of money you're comfortable losing, if you learn from your mistakes and you become better trade by trade, eventually you'll be able to turn your account balance into something like 0.5 or 1 Solana, and from there on, everything will become much easier. I really appreciate you because you stayed until the end. I'll give you an opportunity to win 1 Solana, and all you have to do is you have to follow me on Twitter and join my Telegram community. Please subscribe to my channel. It's not a condition for the giveaway. It is completely optional. I would greatly appreciate it, and that way you'll not miss any important content in the future. I really hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye.